Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a lovely little ride in our 1989 Chevy K1500 pickup truck. This is definitely one of the nicest trucks to have come on the property. I know I say that a lot, but this is true, especially when I like a vehicle personally. If you're from up north or down south, you are going to love this truck too, as it is a 4x4, so it's good up in the mountains and good down here for mudding. But anyway, come to the one we have here featuring that light blue and I want to say silver two-tone exterior. As you can see coming down the sides, does have the 4x4 wheels on it. Also has a little bit of a higher stance, but not too high lifted to where you can't get in the truck, not too low where it's not going to scrub on the ground. Does have those two side steps on it, which you can get up into this truck, or if you ever want to, you know, be romantic, get your lady helper up in here. Other than that, now let's move to the interior. Also having that fine blue mixture. As you can see, the dash is in perfect good condition. A lot of these trucks always ended up cracking up here in the dash due to sunlight or lack of care. Does have that very cool early OBS style speedometer cluster. It is very nice. Does have the old school door panels. What's nice about them is they are power windows. Does have power locks, power steering, even the tilt column, which is a nice feature. And it even has the old style Delco radio with the cassette in it. A lot of these trucks, fun fact, they would take this out, make it a cup holder, and make that the actual radio. But it is a nice truck. One of the best things about it is it does have only 113,000 original miles on it. You are not going to find a truck like that, at least down here in Florida, with under 200,000 miles. Other than that, moving underneath the hood, just having the 5.7, best motor you could have ever had for these kind of OBS trucks, and they will last up to 300,000 if you take care of them. But as for now, we're just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.